Well, what do you want to do?
Hey, Dennis.
Charlie has cancer.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so sad. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Maraming rason sa paghina ng paningin, tulad ng kakulangan sa sustansya at pagtanda, lalo na pag napabayaan. Malabo ang resulta, maliwanag ang kailangan. Optine! Ang Optine Eye Health Supplement ay pinabisa ng lutein at iba pang natural extracts na nakakatulong mapangalagaan ang kalusugan ng mata. Maliwanag na kalusugan ang kailangan. Kita niyo ako? Optine araw-araw. Optine Natural Eye Health Supplement. Kitang-kita ang kalusugan. Maliwanag ba?
Bro, this is what you call peace and order.
Peace and quiet! Dude, palaki mi naman. Lucky Bee! Sweet! Spicy! Spicy! Sweet and spicy! Pahingi naman yan! Naman yan! Naman yan!
Uwi na!
Kapag feeling soft ang skin, laging ready lambingin. Yan ang feeling of soft skin that comes from Palmolive Naturals Pink with milk and natural rose petal extracts na malambing sa skin. Leaves it feeling soft with a delicate fragrance. So, pag may naglalambing, laging ready ang skin. Palmolive Naturals Pink. Soft feeling skin, ready lambingin.
Looking for Palmolive Natural Soap? Ask for it in trusted stores nationwide.
Kainan na! Masarapan! Go Loco, Agogo, Adobo! Fiesta, Conchata! Patikim, di patatim! Leche kayo! Yun lang! Ang tataba! Delikado sa atay. Dapat bawasan yan at proteksyon con Liver Aid. Too much fat can cause fatty liver. Eat healthy. Ako, may tulong pa ng Liver Aid everyday. Eto. Oh my gulay! Yan! At saka Liver Aid. Be a liver lover with Liver Aid.
No camera tricks were used in this commercial. Just BioLink VCO 5-minute hot oil for intense moisture, now also in shampoo. Mula sa Splash.
More and more women have chosen a hair fall control brand they can truly trust. That's why only one emerged on top. Pantene Hair Fall Control. #1 for less hair fall. In just 2 weeks, up to 98% less hair fall. No wonder it's the #1 choice for women in the Philippines. Pantene, #1 for less hair fall.
When it comes to protecting my family, OA talaga ako. Kaya when I learned that Downy Antibac helps repel mosquitoes by 33%. Wow! It helps protect me from lamok na. It makes clothes super bango pa.
This product is not intended to replace mosquito repellents on skin.
Aminin na natin, tayong mga Pinay, vain talaga tayo when it comes to our hair. We want our hair to really be shiny and healthy. I choose Pantene Total Care Conditioner. Meron kasi siyang Provy formula for smoother, more nourished hair that's up to 50% shinier. Kaya, di na ako gagamit ng iba. Talagang yung world's #1 conditioner lang.
You too can shine brighter. Change to Pantene now.
Now enjoy every ride with new Whisper Circles of Protection. So whether you go up or down or through twists and turns, all sides leakage protection keeps you secured as never before. Whisper, have a happy period.
Happy ka na sa hair mo?
May gaganda pa yan.
With Pantene Conditioner.
We joined hundreds of women who switched to get smoother,
More nourished, shinier hair.
Pantene conditioner with Pro V formula, transforming more women's hair around the world.
You too can transform your hair in just 2 weeks with the world's #1 Pantene conditioner.
Hop, hop, hop!
Pitoy? Pitoy!
May tira-tirang sabon pa, oh! Yeah!
Naku, pasensya na ha.
Kaya, next time, mag-joy lang! Para easy hugas, easy banlaw. Dahil pag walang tira-tirang bareta sa mga baso, super perfect ang party mo. Joy po lang Pasko, o di ba? Kaya magtodo tinding joy sa presyong enjoy.
Get 3 times conditioning. Yan ang best ever from new Pantene conditioners. Its rich Pro V formula helps repair hair damage all the way to the tips. New Pantene conditioners. Pantene.
Sa Barangay Poso, ang dami nila mag-igib para sa labada. Buti pa si Monica. Ito lang iniigib niya. Kaya minsan lang pumila. Lahat hanga sa kanya. Dahil ang dating 6 na balding tubig na panlaba, 2 na lang. With Downy, 1 banlaw. Pagkasabon, ibabad lang sa unang banlaw. Tanggal agad ang bula. Kaya less banlaw, less pila. More peace. Sa Downy, 1 banlaw.
You did what?
I slept with her.
Charlie's been in love with that girl for months. I know, man. I don't know what happened. I mentioned the cancer thing. She instantly started coming on to me. Really?
Yeah, man, you were right about that. Cancer? Gold mine.
What are we going to do?
Don't worry. I got a plan. Bam.